Listen and practice Episode 1, The Curious Journey. Once upon a time, in a quiet village surrounded by mountains and rivers, lived a curious boy named Ethan. Ethan loved asking questions about everything around him. He wondered why the sky was blue, why birds could fly, and how trees could grow so tall and strong. One morning, he woke up and decided, I will travel the world to discover the secrets of nature, life, and science. I want to understand how everything works, and maybe I can help others learn too. He packed his notebook, pencils, and a small bag of snacks, and started walking towards the first forest near his village. Little did he know, this journey would teach him lessons not only about the world, but also about patience, kindness, and curiosity. Let's read this section in English. Please aim to finish it within 50 seconds. Take your time to understand it, but let's practice our speed.